When your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 headset experiences issues like unresponsiveness, pairing problems, or audio glitches, resetting can often resolve these problems effectively. There are two main types of resets available for your headset, each serving different purposes and using different methods. A hard reset uses button combinations directly on the headset itself. This type of reset doesn't alter your settings or firmware, making it a safe first option to try. A factory reset, on the other hand, is performed through the Turtle Beach Swarm 2 app. This more comprehensive reset clears the headset's pairing memory and resets mobile app selections. The Turtle Beach Swarm 2 app is essential for managing your headset. It's available on Android, iOS, and Windows platforms and serves as your central hub for settings management, firmware updates, and performing full resets. Understanding these reset options gives you the tools to troubleshoot most common headset issues. In the next section, we'll walk through the step-by-step procedures for performing both types of resets. Now we'll walk through the actual reset procedures. First, let's perform a hard reset on your Stealth 700 Gen 3 headset. Step 1. Power on your headset. Make sure it's fully turned on before proceeding with the reset. Step 2. Locate the crossplay and mode buttons on your headset. These are typically found on the left ear cup. Step 3. Press and hold both the crossplay and mode buttons simultaneously for exactly 10 seconds. Keep them pressed down firmly. Step 4. Release both buttons. The headset should automatically power off and then turn back on. This indicates the hard reset was successful. After the hard reset, your headset and transmitter should automatically reconnect. If you were connected via Bluetooth, you may need to repair with your device. Now let's move on to the factory reset procedure, which is more comprehensive and requires the Swarm 2 mobile app. A factory reset completely clears your headset's memory and settings. This requires specific preparation and the Swarm 2 mobile application. First requirement, ensure your headset has at least 25% battery charge. A low battery can interrupt the factory reset process. For Stealth 700 Gen 3 models, you must plug both transmitters directly into separate USB ports on your computer. Do not use USB hubs or docking stations. Open the Swarm 2 mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. The factory reset function is only available in the mobile version, not the desktop application. In the mobile app, navigate to your connected headset and look for the factory reset option. The app will guide you through the process step by step. Here are some important troubleshooting tips to ensure your reset procedures work correctly. If your reset attempts fail, first ensure your headset firmware is up to date using the Turtle Beach Audio Hub application. Always connect your headset directly to your computer's USB ports. Avoid using USB hubs, KVM switches, or docking stations, as these can interfere with the reset process. Be precise with button combinations and timing. Hold the buttons firmly for the full duration specified, and make sure you're pressing the correct buttons. If problems persist after trying these reset procedures, contact Turtle Beach Support for additional assistance with your specific headset model.